Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 8. This week you have one journal assignment. So at this point, you have submitted a thesis statement, an annotative bibliography. Maybe you've got your outline and your introduction submitted. So, I'm happy to have you stop until I get you feedback on those. Reminder again that all of these assignments have suggested due dates. So if you have a lot going on any specific week and you need to push some things back a little bit, that's okay. There's no penalty for that. So I did not get your annotated bibliographies graded yesterday, so I'm going to put that on the list for today and tomorrow at the latest. So if you wanted to wait, until you get the feedback, that's fine. So at this point, basically, I've turned the assignments into, keep working on your paper, fitting it in as you're able. So I met with everybody to talk about where you are in terms of a topic and moving forward. Some of you are further than others. The journal assignment for this week, or for when you can get to it, is to basically use ChatGPT or another AI program, put in your topic and see what you get, evaluate it. Is it helpful? Is it not helpful? And in general, what do you think about this type of tool? Is it cheating, or is it helping you to write more effectively? Probably the answer is somewhere in between, so I'm just interested in your feedback on what you think about that topic. So let me know if you have any questions. If you want to turn in an additional draft or a first draft before spring break, I will take a look at it over spring furlough and give you feedback, but that's optional. Maybe use that time to get updated on your annotative bibliography, your thesis, your outline, your intro. Again, I just want to be sure that you are continuing to make progress and move toward that final project. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a good week.